Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is just going to be a little kind of overview of this one. This is a Power Wizard PW9000. It's a 9 output Joule unit that we worked on and repaired for a customer. So if you've got a Power Wizard unit, this model or older style or newer style or another model of the Power Wizard brand, welcome to send on in here. Let us take a look at it. We do give free quotes and 18-month warranties on all the repairs that we do. Lightning damage is part of that warranty that we include on our repairs. Alright, well this is like I said, a 9 Joule unit that we worked on for a customer. The Power Wizard overall is a decent brand. They're not the greatest, but they're not by far not the worst. They are built here in the States, up in Ohio, so they are American made to a point. Like I said, 9 Joule output. You know, look at these 150 miles, 900 acres. You got to take those numbers with a grain of salt. A lot of brands that rate their units and mileage and stuff like that. If you look at a little asterisk by it on the packaging or the booklet or whatever, that is a single strand of high tensile wire that's clean fence, perfect ground. Basically just a best case scenario of what you can run with that particular unit. So always look at that. So if you have multi-wire set up, or if you're got grass on the fence, or if you've got using poly rope stuff, that all that stuff has more resistance, and so it lowers these numbers down by the mileage ratings and the acreage ratings and blah, 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 all that stuff. So pretty basic unit. These things are probably like $225, give or take, brand new. So pretty good amount of power for the kind of money that you're saving by buying one of these. So have a little light there that flashes with every pulse. Turn the light off so we get rid of the glare. Pretty basic little unit. All their models from the 18 Joule and smaller, or at least most of them, all have just a single light that flashes. It tells you, hey, the power's on, it's clicking, it's doing that kind of stuff. Now we'll take the knobs off here. They do use a pretty good quality of knobs on their stuff compared to some other brands. These things put out about 7,000 volts, give or take. So we'll pop it apart here a second so you can kind of see the inside. They put a good spark out of them. And I'll pull it apart here and show you the inside. So that's it on the inside. Is your main charge capacitor, your main board, transformer, and output board for lightning protection on the fence side. So this one got hit by lightning. It looked like it had some overheating smells to it. So capacitor and transformer, everything else was checking out good. That's we got everything going again. So if you've got one of these, you want to that aren't acting right, and you want to send it in here, send it on in here. We'll give you a free quote. They are cheaper to fix than they are to buy new, but there's a lot wrong with them. Of course, we're gonna give you your estimate either way for free, and then let you decide yay or nay if you want to fix or not. If we get a unit in of whatever brand or model it is, and say it's not too bad to fix, we're just going to fix it and send it back, and we're going to just put an invoice in the box with it and let you just mail us a check. If we're not sure based on the price, like, well, let me call first and find out, do you want to fix it or not. So we typically what we do, but these are pretty good. Power Wizard makes a pretty good model. I mean, they're not super expensive. You get a 2 or 3 year warranty on the stuff. they have quirky issues with them as they age. This one looked like lightning or something must have messed it up. It had a bad smell to it on the inside when we opened it up. So if lightning had a mess with it, the thing would probably still be running. Usually you get about 4 to 8 years, maybe a little longer out of it, one of these things. Their solar ones seem to be pretty good. We don't hardly ever see their solar ones come in. If you look at Power Wizard Solar Fence Charger, they've got, I don't know, 4 models, I think, of little bitty ones to semi, not big by any means, but semi stout for a solar unit. They get to like a 1 joule or 2 joule, a half joule power for solar. It's not too bad. Most brands stay in that size, if not a little bigger, a little smaller. So you might take a look at this brand and see what they offer. It'd be something worth to you to look at. So that's basically it for this little video. We're going to box this up and ship it back to the customer. If you've got one you want worked on, just send it here. Our website's fencerfixer.com. Address is there. Also work on the cattle scales and low bars and EID tag readers for Gallagher's and True Tests and stuff like that. So until next time, we'll see you later on.